Hello and welcome back to my channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do click on the bell icon so you guys can receive regular updates from my end and you guys do not miss on any of the profits that we make on a regular basis. Okay, so now let us continue with the discussion of the gold analysis from where we left off yesterday. So when we were discussing the gold analysis yesterday, market was trending over here and we marked this area as our area of short-term resistance and this area as our area of short-term support. And you guys can clearly see that our resistance area was respected once, then twice, and then our support area was respected and market has remained sideways. Okay, so now let me zoom in a little bit for you guys so you guys can see that how we would have taken the trades. You guys can see that market remained sideways and then as soon as the market closed below our area of resistance, then we could go short. So if we would have gone short from here, our stop loss would be just above this previous candle and our take profit will be approximately till here. So this trade would have given us a take profit of 1.8%, which is amazing. And then afterwards, once again, market tested our area of resistance and closed below our area of resistance. So once again, we could have gone short from here. Our stop loss would be just above the previous candle and our take profit would be approximately till here. So this trade would have given us an amazing profit of 21.3%. Then once the market tested our area of support over here, then we could go long after the closing of this candle, but this candle would we would have hit our stop loss in the very next candle. But once again, market tested our support area and closed above this area. So then we could take a long trade over here once again. Stop loss would be just below this candle and our take profit would be approximately 2.3% and this trade would still be running in profit. Okay, so now you guys can clearly see that as market has remained sideways, so we would just keep these same scenarios in mind and move them ahead for Monday as well, as these scenarios have given us amazing profit today as well. So we hope that these scenarios will also give some very good profits on Monday as well. Okay, so just be vigilant and keep an eye out, and you guys will be making amazing profits in this gold market as well, just like today. And if you guys have not yet hit that subscribe button, then please do and just simply follow these scenarios and just follow this key and you guys will be good to make some amazing profits. And I will see you guys on Monday night with fresh scenarios. And that's all for today's video. Thank you. Have a great weekend.